I have undergone a 1 week's training in the Core Employability Skills program by Wagwani, and I have to say my experience is wonderful. First and foremost, I have learned a lot about training as a facilitator, because back in our vocational institutes, we are taken as teachers or trainers. Actually, we are not taken as facilitators. So what we teach and share with these people, our trainees, is not necessarily about relevance or giving them a real life example or touch of what they're learning, but rather we're impacting knowledge onto them, which in actual sense at the end of the day does not exactly make a lot of impact in their lives, even when they go out there to exercise the technical skills we give them. So from this 1 week's training I've had, first and foremost, I have learned that I'm not just a trainer, but I'm a facilitator of training. I can facilitate these students in acquiring knowledge. I've also learned that as a trainer, your focus is the students. It's not about how much knowledge you're giving them, it's about knowing what kind of students you have, what is the knowledge you want to share with them, how much of that knowledge do they have already, and then how best can you give it to them depending on the different learning styles. Because learning styles is one of the other components we have studied in this program. The program has also helped me a lot in polishing my presentation skills, because as a trainer, I thought all you have to do is know your content and go out there and give it to the trainees. But rather, this program has showed me that as a trainer, first of all, you have to go ahead and prepare your content, and not just prepare it, but go through it along with the assisting equipment. For example, we have a platform, the LearnWise platform, which has a lot of information and very detailed, to even telling you how much time you can spend on a given program in the timetable. So as a trainer, you're supposed to prepare all your information, and they also give the students a touch of the information before they come into class. So when they come, they're not exactly ignorant, but you are in a situation where you're all sharing information and learning from one another. So I've loved the interaction between the trainers and the learners, and also the facilitation, presentation skills, where you know what to and what not to do depending on how it impacts a student. For example, it's preferable that you use an open arm gesture to identify someone you want to talk to, or you're identifying to talk to, rather than pointing to them or using items like pens or markers. I've also realized there's the kind of attitude or posture your body is portraying to the class tells them whether you're relaxed, whether you're confident about your content, or whether you're not, or your attitude is just not good for that class. So the program has been very impactful. I actually can't give everything in detail, but yes, after this program, I cannot be the same facilitator I was.